Hello everyone! Today we're delving into a lesser-known feature of Google Home, the brand new script editor. If you're like me and you've created numerous automations over time, you may recall that until very recently the only way to accomplish this was through the Automation tab within the Google Home app. While it served well for simple automations, it fell short when dealing with more complex interactions for your home. However, with the introduction of the new script editor, I decided to give it a shot and explore its capabilities. I've actually been quite pleased with the results. First, to access the new script editor, visit home.google.com on your laptop browser. Once there, in the interface, click on Automations in the left-hand panel. Within the Automations section, click on Add New in the bottom right-hand corner. After clicking, you'll be brought into this interface, which, if you've done any coding or scripting in the past, looks quite similar to some of the major code editors. It features color-coded sections that highlight the various components associated with your automation, including metadata, where you can add a description and name for your automation. The next section is the Automation Starter section. Here, you can describe the events that trigger this automation. In other words, what commands will you say to your Google Home to activate this automation? Just below that, there are conditions, where you can optionally specify conditions that must be met for this automation to run. Lastly, there's the Actions section. This is where the core of the automation resides. This is where you define what this automation will actually do for your smart home. A few things I appreciate about this editor. Firstly, the autocomplete feature is a great way to start adding code to your script without needing to know all the final details. Secondly, the Validate button below helps you identify any issues with your script before saving and activating it on your home. Recently, Google has added a few new automation starters. Some of my favorites involve package and people detection, which works seamlessly if you have Nest cameras that support this functionality. In my home, I use package detection to trigger a broadcast message across all of my home devices, notifying me when a package has been delivered and is waiting at the front door. If you haven't already, I encourage you to give the script editor a try and experiment with it, especially if you've previously built home automations using the Google Home app. If there's enough interest in this functionality, I may consider creating a more in-depth tutorial in the coming weeks. I appreciate you watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for your connected home. Peace.